the county about Dad's house, and she sent a copy of the email to me.
The paper about Dad's house.
Their old house.
The farm,
Yeah.
because we wanted to, he was trying to get salvage rights for it and stuff. Now they're saying that they might put it up for bid and blah, because she said that there was, ooh, that's pretty, cops all up there the other day, and then they were saying they were just going to tear all the buildings down. I'll let you read the letter, the email or whatever.
Why can't they have salvage rights if they're just going to tear it down?
No, now they're saying that the guy at the county or whatever is saying, oh, he doesn't know, what, they might put it out for bids, and just a bunch of crap, I don't know. So I don't know if it's going to be able to do anything with it.
Well, the county owns it, right?
Uh-huh.
So put it out for bid to sell it? Because legally they're supposed
For
to...
salvage rights, for salvaging it.
Oh, just for salvage.
Yeah. Because Judy sent an email saying, they're interested in some farm equipment there, and that Ed's daughter, Kathy, is interested in, the house. So,
well,
I probably couldn't afford to. We'd have to have a whole new roof. We could tear it down. Dad said you'd have to get a new roof, because you'd have to tear the roof off. But that, even if it's just a bigger house, that has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's up high. I can see Mount Hood and everything. So I just added onto my house I got now.
yeah.
It's already been added onto 3 times. Once we add on it,
That looks so weird.
I put on top of it.
Just set it on.
Stack it on top. I'll solve that problem with that leaky roof. Has a perfect roof for a snow load.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a great one.
Well, as soon as they find out that somebody's interested or wants it, they're going to
Try to.
Yeah.
find some price.
Oh, my portion is for greater returns. Avoid being too risky this week.
Okay.
Keep up the good work. I'll be rewarded.
All right.
Right.
Mine
Well, that
basically
was so
says
cool.
no more
Mom,
no
you
shopping
missed
this week.
such a good one.
That's a neat one.
I don't have a car, so.
I remember when I was young,
Ooh.
fireworks would freak me out because I always thought they were coming at me. Like they were gonna get super close to my face. I remember thinking that.
You don't think that now?
Like
do
right
you?
now, I'd be like, oh, it's coming out.
Well, they seemed a lot bigger when you were little.
I know, it's true.
Ooh, that was a neat one.
The finale's coming up.
Did Greg ever call the opal mine the other day like he was going to?
Mm-hmm.
What'd they say? Oh.
Oh, he called he called to cancel the reservation.
No, yeah, but a
I don't
couple
know
days
if he called
ago,
them.
the day that we were supposed to go on
Oh,
Monday, he was
see.
going to call to see if
I don't think he did.
they had thunderstorms and it rained or something too.
I thought about that. I thought, they might have went and got rained out.
Again, yeah,
In-
for thunderstorms.
In July.
It would have been so hot.
Here's the finale.
It would have been really
Oh
hot.
God, it would have been so miserable. We would have had to dig for 10 minutes and sit in the car for half an hour, and then the air conditioning can't be on just all day when it's hot and the car's not running. And there was no traffic out there, no cell signal. If something we were broke down, we could have been screwed. Ooh. I want to see another infinity sign one.
Did Vicky leave?
And she's even talking to her uncle. Ooh, that was a sorry mill on it.
Poor Butchie's like, what's going on?
And the neighbors are probably letting off a bunch of firecrackers. The horses are probably not liking that either. Boom.
Well, I didn't see anything going up in the air, but we had some neighbors across several ways from us who were something were really loud.
Same here yesterday and the day before. Yeah, I didn't see anything up in the air either, but they were loud. I want to say, it's not 4th of July yet. It's really dry outside, people. Ooh, that was a pretty one. Ooh. Guess that wasn't the finale. Ooh, look at that hair one. You missed it.
Now I see it. Pictures, I can take more of you.
pays for the fireworks?
The Lions, and they take donations every year.
It's not tax dollars.
No, no. It's all privately funded. Ooh, hair ones. Are those flowers, are they opened? Any of the flowers opened on the alien planet? Oh, look at that one.
Oh,
it was
yeah,
like
they
a...
bloom.
Did
Two
they?
bloom one night and 3 the next
Oh,
night.
cool. Ooh.
Whoa, I like that.
That spiral one was neat, though.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was kind of different.
UFO.
Boom. Ooh. I don't know why I like these kind of fireworks. I hate the firecrackers and stuff.
They're far away.
Yeah, maybe so. Boom. The little sparklies. That one's kind of low down there. Crackle, crackle. And we should hear a boom, 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 boom over here in the last of it. Remember, Dad was down here with us the year before last.
Who?
Grandpa
Oh, Grandpa.
and Bridget. And Tia.
Not the year before last.
Yeah, that's what I said. Not last 4th of July, but 4th of July before that. Yeah.
No. First July before that.
Oh yeah, how yeah, God, Tia, it'll be 3 years of September, right? Jesus.
Well, Mom, those.
Whoa, those were cool.
It'd be cool to be in a plane right now flying above it.
I know, I was wondering what they'd look like from above them. Oh, there goes, I can see one going up. Ooh, ooh, that changed like 3 different times. Whoosh. Ooh, that's pretty. They're so pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that was guess they don't turn this light off anymore. Whoa, that was a neat one, but it was so low you couldn't hardly see it. Ooh, that was kind of cool. Ooh, I wonder how many fires are going to start tonight by other people's fireworks. Ooh, that was a neat one. Yeah, it did. Ooh, that was bright. Ooh. Oh, here they're setting a whole bunch up now. Ooh, sparkly, sparkly.
How long do the fireworks usually last?
20 minutes.
Huh?
20 minutes or so.
For some reason, it lasted an hour.
Oh, that would be cool. It's never lasted that long. I wish. That'd be really fun. Except this light behind us is really annoying.
14 minutes.
Whoa, that was bright. Hair. Ooh, that was neat. Are you watching them, Cameron?
What are all the guys at your house doing tonight, Charlie?
Ribs.
Were they gonna go watch the fireworks?
I don't know.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, that was a good one. Sparkly one. Ooh.
You gonna pull up there?
Yep, it's been there the whole time.
What are those crazy people doing now?
Ooh. Oh, that was a good one.
That'd be cool to be like flying over the United States right now.
Yeah, you can see so many fireworks probably.
Like, I wonder how far up you can see them.
I don't know. if it wasn't
I
cloudy,
wonder if satellites can see them.
it probably when it's not cloudy, places where it's not cloudy. Well, of course, the United States is the only place that has them on 4th of July.
And only on the West Coast right now. I feel like.
Oh, that's right. They already had them on the East Coast.
You guys see that light up there?
Yeah,
Been blinking green, now it's blinking just solid red.
yeah, I know. It's a plane that's going that other, it turned.
Oh, is one wing
UFO.
red and one's red? One's red and one's green.
Yeah. It hasn't really seemed to move though, really. Ooh, that was a bright one. What?
Is it UFO?
Now it's white.
That's a plane right there.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to figure
Maybe it's a
out.
helicopter.
It's white now.
Yeah, geez.
Ooh, look at that one was neat. Like a UFO or a Saturn or something. Ooh, that was neat too. It doesn't really seem to be moving though. It looks like it's moving, but then if I stare at it, it's not.
It is.
Yeah, it's moving.
They're coming closer this way.
Yeah. It's coming like this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like there has to be a helicopter because you're like turned
That
around.
one's gonna hit it.
That has to be like a helicopter. Right? Now it's like moving down.
Yeah,
I'm sure it is. Somebody watching the fireworks.
probably. Probably watching, make sure no fires start.
Yeah.
It's weird though because I don't hear it, and now it's
blinking.
blinking, and now it's going. That's weird, actually. Ooh,
Look at it, going crazy.
now it's going.
What the hell is that?
That is weird.
Shit.
It's really weird.
That's fucking weird.
Where did it go?
Now it's down below the tree.
No, it wasn't a plane.
It's not a plane. It's a helicopter.
Going down between those trees.
It must be a helicopter. Yeah, I went. It moved too weird to be a helicopter.
Well, what else would it be then?
A UFO. Might be. I mean, there are UFOs. I mean, there's not the other creatures. And that's just weird.
Did you at least get it on video?
Yeah, but it's so small you can't really see it really on the video. Ooh, look at that. Maybe it'll come back up again. Woohoo! Get that finale going up high. Man. Boom. 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 Bunch of hairlines for you, Kai. Sparklies. Ooh. Oh, that was a neat one. Ooh. Ooh.